merong involvement si Raul?
Well,
Or naging,
what do you mean?
or meron siyang kasalanan?
Kumbaga, we do not want to point fingers. What we're saying is what went through the process. Noong February 9, siguro I think this is material. Noong February 9 kasi when all the recall of, yung recall of funds email came in, the moment I read it, tumawag ako agad sa kanila eh. Nag-report ako. Kumbaga, some sort of saying, nag-inquire ako kung ano yung gagawin ko. Kasi nga, sinasabi nila, Atty. Marcel, hindi nila napansin yung email. Pero it was sent to the branch eh. Kaya lang we were able to read it past, magta-12 o'clock na din. So the moment I got it, tumawag ako agad kay Bridget Capina. Hindi ko na nga ako tinawagan yung district head ko eh. Dumiretso na ako. Kasi it's an urgent thing. So sinabi ko sa kanya, may problema ako, may recall of funds, anong gagawin ko? Wala na akong ma-recall from the actual beneficiaries. But I know where the funds are. It's still with William Go and Philrem. And then sabi niya, sige, kasama ko si Raul, nagla-lunch kami. Papasok ko yung telepono ko. Yung telepono kay Raul. In-acknowledge naman ni Mr. Tan, di ba? Na nakausap niya ako. Kaya lang yung sinabi niya, yun yung hindi niya in-acknowledge. Tapos sabi ko, sir, may problema kasi ako. Parang basically, inulat ko lang yung sinabi ko kay Bridget Capina to him. And then he said, ay, hindi natin problema yan. Problema ng Bangladesh yan. Tapos yun nga, sabi niya, tsaka dumaan ng Chorus Banks yan, ganyan-ganyan. And then from the text message na pinorward ko sa Senate, nandun naman po lahat. Kumbaga openly sinabi ko sa kanila, parang ano pong gagawin. And then may mga statements pa doon na they were in the head office at around 3 o'clock ng hapon. They were having a meeting with the AMLC operations, AMLC compliance operations, legal, at kung sino-sino mga senior officers doon. And they're looking for ways on how to answer Bangladesh. Because nagsumbong na ako na may recall kasi nga nagla-lunch sila eh. So probably hindi rin nila nabasa yung email. And none from operations called in the branch to say, oh, wala nang withdrawal, may recall of funds. Diba? Parang nalulungkot nga ako kay Atty. Marcel. Kasi sinasabi nila, top urgent, hindi, they don't, ano yung sabi nila, sir, parang hindi nila napansin. Pero ako, nung hindi ko nabasa yung email, kasalanan ko, pero sila nung hindi nila na buksan yung, na sila yung unang nakakakita, hindi nila kasalanan.
Pero nagtuloy pa rin kayo ng withdrawal.
Sir, tapos na po yun.
Na.
Tapos na po yung withdrawal nung pumasok yung lahat ng recall of funds email.